Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. We're going to do an unboxing today. So I got some tiki mugs from Amazon. I'll show you my current collection. Here it is. All right, really quick here, guys. Here's my very, very small tiki mug collection, which is soon to get larger. So first up, this is from Tiki's Bar and Grill in Waikiki. This one, just a clear one. My mother got this for me, and it's from somewhere in the North Shore of Hawaii. And this is Frankie's Tiki Room. Oh, the bearded clam, don't look at that. We'll look at this side. Frankie's Tiki Room. And this is a Trader Vic's. Aloha. And this is another Tiki's from Waikiki. Looks like it was hand painted. And this one, I actually just got it at a department store named Shopko. I know that Shopko was down in Montana and they went out of business. And this one, I just got online. And this guy here, I think he's a Frankie's Tiki Room. Yep, that's a Frankie's Tiki Room in Las Vegas, Nevada. And another Frankie's Tiki Room. This guy's called the Lava Lech. And, oh, you can see this guy's trident. That's a Frankie's Tiki Room. This one my girlfriend got me in an antique shop. It looks quite old and used. It's kind of cool. I like it. And this one is a Trader Vic's. And then these two guys, that was another Shopko. And I'm not too sure where I got this guy from. But that's my very small tiki mug collection. And it's going to increase by 8. So check it out. So I ordered these tiki mugs from Amazon. I got 8 of them, so I'm almost doubling my collection. So let's open the box and check it out. Mookie, what do you say? Okay, Mookie's not interested. So I actually got her on the catch and release program. So we're gonna let her go. Go, be free, Mookie. All right, so it's a giant box, very heavy. All right, inside this larger box is a smaller box. Something's rattling around. I think there may be a broken one in here. Actually, I bought some metal straws. That was what was rattling. Pretty cool. And it comes with cleaners for the straws too. That's just awesome. All right, and inside the smaller box are 2 even smaller boxes. So they're coming in 4s. So I got the pretty cool tiki mug boxes. All right, so we're down to 2 boxes, each having 4 tiki mugs, and they got them in bubble wrap, so that's pretty good. Okay, here's tiki mug number 1. It's sort of an emerald green with a, I guess that's like a flower design or a lei across the head. Pretty cool. All right, Tiki mug number 2. Oh, this guy looks cool, and he's got some skulls on the bottom. Big ears. Taxi cab doors are open. All right. Tiki mug number 3. Sort of like a tree design. All right, Tiki mug number 4. Oh, this guy's playing a ukulele. He's got a grass skirt on. Very, very Hawaiian. Okay, that's the first Tiki mug box. So we have one more box, 4 more Tiki mugs to go. Ooh. This guy looks like Ming the Merciless from Flash Gordon. That's very cool. And, oh, this guy's got a lot of teeth. Blue Parrot, I love it. Okay, we're down to the last one. It's just no face, a faceless Tiki mug. Looks like a rope. Probably my least favorite. I would say my most favorite is the Blue Parrot, and then I like the Ming the Merciless. Put in the comment section which one you like the best. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure to hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.